What is GDM? Welcome to Good Driver Mutuality, or GDM. We're disrupting traditional auto insurance with our unique alternative to collision and comprehensive, offering safe drivers up to 40% savings compared to traditional providers through our innovative mutual aid savings mechanism. Here's how it works.
As a member, you'll maintain your legally required liability insurance and join GDM as your alternative for comprehensive and collision, the parts that protect your own vehicle. When you face an accident, sideswipe, glass damage, or any other comprehensive or collision accident, simply submit a request through our user-friendly app by uploading pictures of the damage.
The community then collectively shares and contributes towards your accidental costs, making it a supportive and cost-effective solution. You can get a personalized quote in less than 5 minutes, and for every friend you refer to join GDM, you'll earn cash rewards through our referral program.
With GDM, you're not just protecting your own vehicle, you're joining a caring community that stands ready to help you when it matters most.